In this video, we will explore how to utilize Claude's capabilities for optimizing AI outputs in large-scale applications, teaching you scalable prompt engineering strategies to enhance workflow efficiency. Welcome to our deep dive into mastering prompt engineering with Claude at scale. Did you know that Claude's advanced AI capabilities can revolutionize your approach to prompt engineering? In this video, we'll explore Claude's unique features and how they can be leveraged for optimizing AI outputs in large-scale applications. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a developer, or a business leader, understanding these capabilities is crucial for staying ahead in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Let's embark on this journey to mastering Claude together. Claude stands out in the AI landscape due to its exceptional capabilities and user-friendly design. In this section, we'll delve into what makes Claude unique. First, Claude's natural language processing is top-notch, allowing for nuanced and context-aware interactions. Its scalability is another key feature, designed to handle large-scale applications seamlessly. Claude's adaptability means it can be customized to fit specific needs, making it a versatile tool for various industries. Moreover, the user interface is intuitive, ensuring that even those new to AI can get started quickly. Finally, Claude's prompt features are designed to be both precise and flexible, providing users with the ability to fine-tune inputs for optimal outputs. By understanding these features, you can unlock the full potential of Claude in your AI projects.
Scaling prompt engineering comes with its own set of challenges. As you expand your AI applications, you'll encounter issues such as resource allocation, data handling, and maintaining prompt precision. One common challenge is ensuring that your prompts remain effective as the volume of data increases. This requires a keen understanding of how to balance prompt specificity with flexibility. Additionally, managing resources efficiently becomes crucial, as larger datasets demand more computational power. Another hurdle is ensuring data integrity and consistency, which is vital for training AI models effectively. By identifying these challenges early on, you can develop strategies to overcome them, such as optimizing data pipelines, using cloud-based solutions for scalability, and continuously refining your prompts to maintain clarity and precision.
The precision and clarity of your prompts significantly impact the quality of AI outputs. In this section, we will explore techniques to optimize these aspects. Start by crafting prompts that are specific yet flexible enough to accommodate various data inputs. Use clear and concise language to avoid ambiguity, which can lead to inaccurate results. Consider breaking down complex queries into simpler components, making it easier for Claude to process and respond accurately. Additionally, regularly refine your prompts based on feedback and output analysis. Tools like prompt validators and syntax checkers can aid in enhancing clarity. By focusing on these elements, you ensure that your AI models deliver consistent and high-quality results.
Handling large datasets while maintaining output quality is a critical aspect of prompt engineering. Here, we'll discuss techniques to achieve this balance. First, segment your data into manageable chunks, allowing Claude to process it more efficiently. Employ data normalization techniques to ensure consistency across datasets. Utilize Claude's built-in features for data handling, such as filtering and sorting, to streamline processing. Additionally, implement regular audits of your datasets to identify and rectify any anomalies. By focusing on these methods, you can enhance the quality of AI outputs, ensuring they meet the desired standards even when dealing with extensive data volumes. Claude's APIs provide a powerful toolset for integrating its capabilities into your workflows efficiently. This section focuses on how to leverage these APIs to enhance workflow integration. Begin by exploring the comprehensive API documentation to understand the available endpoints and features. Claude's APIs allow for seamless integration with existing systems, enabling automation of repetitive tasks and reducing manual intervention. Customize the APIs to suit specific business needs, ensuring that Claude complements your workflow rather than complicates it. By incorporating these APIs, you can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and maximize the value derived from Claude's advanced AI features. Understanding how Claude has been successfully implemented in real-world scenarios can provide valuable insights for your projects. In this section, we'll examine case studies from various industries. For instance, a leading e-commerce platform leveraged Claude to enhance their customer support with automated, context-aware responses, leading to improved customer satisfaction. In another case, a financial institution used Claude to streamline document processing, significantly reducing processing times and errors. These examples highlight how Claude can be customized to meet specific industry needs, overcome implementation challenges, and deliver tangible benefits. By learning from these implementations, you can apply best practices to your projects and maximize Claude's potential.
Even experienced practitioners can fall into common pitfalls in prompt engineering. To help you avoid these, we'll discuss some frequent mistakes and strategies to prevent them. One major pitfall is using overly complex prompts, which can confuse the AI and lead to inaccurate outputs. Instead, aim for simplicity and clarity. Another issue is neglecting to update prompts based on feedback and changing data patterns, which can result in outdated or irrelevant responses. Additionally, failing to test prompts thoroughly before deployment can lead to unforeseen errors. By being aware of these pitfalls and implementing corrective measures, such as regular prompt reviews and testing, you can ensure your AI models perform optimally.
The field of AI prompt engineering is continually evolving, driven by advancements in technology and changing industry needs. In this final section, we'll explore future trends that are shaping the landscape. Expect to see more sophisticated AI models capable of understanding and processing complex language structures. The integration of AI with other technologies, such as augmented reality and the Internet of Things, will open new avenues for innovation. Additionally, ethical considerations in AI prompt engineering will gain prominence, emphasizing transparency and fairness. By staying informed about these trends, you can position yourself at the forefront of AI developments, ready to leverage new opportunities as they arise.
As we conclude our exploration of mastering prompt engineering with Claude at scale, it's time to reflect on what we've learned. We covered Claude's unique features, scaling challenges, prompt optimization techniques, and future trends. Now, it's your turn to apply these insights and practice with Claude. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any questions you have, so please share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI and prompt engineering. For those eager to dive deeper, check out the additional resources linked below. Together, let's continue to unlock the full potential of AI.